In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 or 10. So if you want to clear all the cache and junk, it is actually very simple. At first, what you can do is simply toggle on the option for storage scenes. For that, what you have to do is simply go to settings. Click on the start icon that you can see on the screen. Now click on the settings option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here settings will be opened. So what you have to do is simply find the option for system and click on it. Now you'll be able to access the system settings over here. At left, you'll be able to find various options. Find this option for storage and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for storage scenes. If you toggle this button on, it can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So make sure to toggle this button on. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply delete the temporary files. For that, click on this option, temporary files, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the temporary files that you can remove right now. So simply select all the temporary files and click on this option, remove files, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, these temporary files will be removed. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply do the disk cleanup. So for that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, search for disk cleanup. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, open, that you can see on the screen. Now disk cleanup will be opened up. Now after you do that, you can see over here disk cleanup will be opened up. So simply check on the boxes of the files that you would like to remove. After you do that, click on this option, clean up system files, that you can see on the screen. Now the next thing that you can do in order to clear the cache and junk is to simply do the WS reset. For that, open the run. In order to open run, what you can do is press Windows and R key on your keyboard. Now you can see over here run has been opened. Now what you have to do is type in WS reset.exe, press enter. Now once you do that, the cache of the Microsoft Store will also be cleared. So after you do all these, the cache and junks from your Windows 11 or 10 will be cleared. So that is how you clear all cache and junk from Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.